This is Friendly Smiles.
Today we're rushing out to Arashiyama to see some cherry blossom. It's our first time doing cherry blossom because last year cherry blossom viewing was cancelled due to Corona. But now we're going to get out as a family and we're going to go on a special train to, from Kamioka. Alright, check it out. Umahori station is completely countryside. So we had to go to Umahori to get the Torokko train to Arashiyama. And cherry blossoms blooming everywhere. Can't wait to get on it. The views of the Hosogawa, I think it's the Hosogawa River. I need to go on that boat ride because that looks so beautiful every time I pass it on the way to Kamioka. My kids, well, family there. The convenience store. So we just got off at Arashiyama, is it Arashiyama station? Torokko Arashiyama station, and yeah, we just got off there. It was a nice ride. You can see the river. So yeah, we enjoyed that. It's really, how do you call it? Semi-narrow. Okay, it's not a lot of space in there. So we got 2 seats, and then we have no seats for kids, but there wasn't enough space for to have kids on your lap, so I had to stand up all the way. But that means I could take good videos and stuff like that. So it was really cool. Yeah, definitely recommend that. That was nice. Definitely want to go on that boat ride. I've said that 4 or 5 times.
Oh,
show me your leaves.
green.
Let me see.
Look at shape.
Oh, looks like someone's eating it. Ooh. We're on the way to the bamboo forest. You know the bamboo forest, the famous one in Arashiyama. It's going to get busy, I guess, with hundreds of people there. But let's just see. There's bamboo around here already. Then go to Togetsukyō. Wow. Bamboo forest, Arashiyama bamboo grove. It's cool. Check it out. Oh, nice. Lunchtime. You could buy a sandwich. I mean, you could buy lunch or you could make a sandwich. Togetsukyō bridge over there, and yeah, just taking it in, just had lunch, just came here, I'm shooting a time lapse, so I've got to come and talk. So yeah, this is our first time doing cherry blossom view. My daughter's sleeping, so she don't even have lunch. We're going to cross over the river, see the other side, there are loads of cherry blossom trees, so hopefully she's awake for that. It's good to be able to get out, and I love this city, man. Kyoto is so beautiful. Like, I sometimes think about moving to Tokyo, kind of, but you can't match Kyoto's beauty and so many things and places to see. So yeah, Kyoto ni oide yo. Snack time. Just got some tea ice cream. I wonder what I'm gonna get. Mimi, what do you want? What drink do you want? What snack do you want?
Ice cream.
What flavor?
Ice cream.
Ice cream flavor. Oh. Yummy. Wow. Yes, so seeing cherry blossom on both sides of the bank, both sides of the river, Katsuragawa River, or Katsuragawa, and Togetsukyō Bridge. It's nice and spacious. But so many people, you would never think it was Corona time. And in the mountains, you can see cherry blossom there as well. It's good. Nice, nice to be in nature. Yeah, and also got the.
This is Friendly Smiles.
Baby. Stop vending machine again. I need this.
Daddy and Mumu. Yay! Daddy got ice cream.
Yes. He's awake. So yeah, on the way home back from Arashiyama, we're gonna get a couple of, hey, what are you jumping on me for? We're gonna get a train and go back home. Alright, peace.
Yay!
Mimi.
So every station on this Hankyu line has a cherry blossom. It's good. So back home, I'm tired, exhausted. My little boy's gone off to play football. I know he's still got the energy, but yeah, so we're here making memories and having a good time making videos, vlogs as well. If you like it, then make sure you click like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. I've got loads of videos. I've got like 100 videos. Off to the next one. Take care.